The man killed 99 people. Authentic hadith. 99 people. But like, what sort of individual do you have to be for that? 99. And the number was specific. Brother, there are soldiers in war who don't kill that many people. Anyway, most of you know the story. So something enters his heart, he's yearning for Allah. So he goes to the people, he says, can I make Tawbah? So the people say to him, look, there's a righteous man, go to him, ask him. He goes to the man, he says, look, I've killed 99 people. The guy says, 99? He couldn't comprehend the figure. He says to him, brother, no way Allah can forgive you, no way. So to show you the ruthlessness of the man, he kills him too. Like, bro, that's Ya Latif, man. Like he killed, like he didn't kill a guy who challenged him or swore at his sister. No. The guy's a abid. He killed a abid. He killed a man who's a pious, upright, and simply because he didn't like his fatwa. Bro, imagine this guy was in the area now. Shnoon. It's madness. Anyway, so now after 100, look, what's the key? No, here, there's a sincerity, man. There's a genuine sincerity. After 100, he still wants Allah. Anyway, it's not the point. I wish I can dissect the story. Anyway, he ends up going to a scholar, and that's the difference. So he goes to a scholar, says, look, I've killed 100, can Allah forgive me? The scholar turns around and says to him, my brother, who can stand between you and the forgiveness of Allah? Who? But this is where things get interesting. There's not a man or woman in this building today in the house. I'm sure I don't need to ask. I already know. Every single one of us want Allah. And every one of us wants change. And every one of us wants to make it. Wallahi, I get it. But what's the difference? What's the difference between us and this guy? Like honestly, do I need to ask anyone here that, brother, do you want to be a hafiz of the Quran? Really, do you? Like you look at me as in, come on man. Every one of us here would wish to be. What an honor. But what's the difference? What's the difference between you and I and the hafiz of the Quran? So he says to him, but my brother, yeah, Allah can forgive. He says to him, but look, and this is it right here. He says, but in order for you to complete your tawbah, he says to him, brother, you need to leave this town. You need to leave. You're surrounded by corrupted people here. You need to leave this town and you need to go to a place where there's good people and they will help you and they will assist you towards your tawbah. And that's it right there. We want forgiveness. We want change, but I'm not prepared to pack up and leave. Now this doesn't necessarily mean I need to leave my area. Brother, you're not prepared to leave your friends. You're not prepared to change your ways. You're not prepared to change your surroundings. You're not prepared to give up your haram earning. Brother, I'm not prepared. But I want Allah's forgiveness. Yeah, but it doesn't work like that. So this man, being true and genuine, he packs his bags. He's on the way to the town of forgiveness. Wallahi, read the hadith. It's incredible. On the way, Allah takes his life. So the angels of mercy come down and the angels of punishment come down, and then there's a dispute. The angels of punishment say, no, hang on, this man's ruthless, he's killed 100 people. So the angels of mercy trying to argue on his behalf, they said, yeah, he killed 100, but he's making tawbah. The angels said, no, he was on the way to tawbah, he didn't complete it. So it was a genuine discussion. So Allah Azza wa Jal, He sends down a third to be a judge between the two. He says to them, measure the distance of the earth. If he's closer to the town of sin, then let the angels of punishment take him. And he's closer to the sound of, and if he's closer to the town of good, well then let those angels take. So they measure the distance. Unfortunately for him, he was closer to the town of sin. This is a man that killed 100 people. Allah Azza wa Jal orders the earth to change its dimensions. Allah threw physics, science, Mother Nature, whatever, Allah threw it all out of the window. None of it applied, none. A man who killed 100 people, Allah changed the world. He moved the dynamics, the physical existence. Allah Azza wa Jal changed the dimensions of the earth and made him what? One handspan. To the town of good, and he said to the angels, take him. The angels of mercy, take him. It's a man who killed 100. He who loves to meet Allah, Allah loves to meet him. So in short, my brother, what does Allah want from us? Just genuine steps. No luggage. No luggage. We all want Allah, but there's luggage. Wallah, brother, look, I really want to change, but this, but that. Alright, so what do you, I don't know, like, what do I say to you? That luggage is weighing us it's weighing us down from things that beyond comprehensible, bro. Allah, just make a move. Wait, one genuine move, bro, and watch and see what Allah Azza wa Jalla will do. But it needs to be unconditional. One thing, bro, one step towards Allah. That's all you need to do. Allah loves you. I'm not saying that because, wallah, I'm trying to win your heart. No, Allah loves you genuinely. My brothers, when you say, Ya Rabb, you don't know what's happening in the heavens. A slave called upon his master. You might think, yeah, but brother, not me. Why not you, akhi? Why? Why not you? Wallah, brother, you don't know, man, wallah. And that's, wallahi, my brothers, this isn't a level of iman. This is just shaitan. Brother, I understand, brother, like, wallah, I've got so much sins, I've got so much shortcomings, I've done so much muharramat. This isn't a level of faith. This is just shaitan who's clouding us, that's all. I challenge any man to stand here if you're free from sin. I don't care how big your beard is. Go, I challenge you. You can't, bro, no one. We've all got sins. That's why we need Allah Azza wa Jalla. Because I'm not perfect, bro. No one is. Make a move. Take a genuine step to Allah. Tonight, now. One istighfar, bro. One genuine from the heart. Ya Allah, forgive me my sins. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives. Allah loves to forgive. My brothers, we need to make this move. Why? Ramadan's around the corner.